Home Remedies presents Mix lemon with cumin seeds and you will thank me for the recipe. Cumin water is said to do wonders in promoting weight loss. Since cumin seeds are rich in antioxidants, it helps in flushing out toxins from the body and acts as a body cleanser. It promotes digestion, provides iron, may improve blood sugar control, and may reduce food-borne illnesses. Cumin is considered to have hypolipidemic properties. It helps lowers LDL cholesterol levels and is a great way to get a healthy and clear skin. Lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. It can boost energy levels and metabolism. Let's see how to make this simple drink. Ingredients: cumin seeds powder 4 teaspoons, lemon juice from half lemon, water half liter. Procedure: boil water and pour it in a jar and just add 4 teaspoons of cumin seeds powder in it. Mix it well and leave it covered for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, strain the water and squeeze lemon juice from half a lemon to it and add a slice of lemon into it. Cover it and keep it in your fridge. Drink 1 small cup half hour before each main meal, means 3 cups per day. Do this course for 7 to 10 days. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.